Hello friends! In today's video, we'll talk about 15 health and fitness hacks that can make your life healthier, easier, and more energetic. By adopting these simple tips, you can keep your body fit, your mind fresh, and your daily routine more productive. So let's get started without wasting any time. Hack 1. Warm water in the morning. Drink a glass of warm water right after waking up. It helps boost your metabolism and detoxifies your body. Hack 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C. It strengthens your immunity and helps with weight loss. Hack 3. 30-minute walk. A 30-minute brisk walk every day is excellent for your heart, lungs, and mental well-being. Hack 4. 8 hours of sleep. Sleep recharges your body. Not getting enough rest increases the stress and fatigue. Hack 5. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. It's great for glowing skin and supports fat loss. Hack 6. Never skip breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. Starting your day with oats, fruits, or eggs gives you the right energy boost. Hack 7. Daily fruits and veggies. Make sure to eat at least 3 servings of fruits and vegetables daily. Hack 8. Reduce sugar intake. Too much sugar can lead to diabetes and weight gain. Avoid cold drinks and sweets where possible. Hack 9. Eat dry fruits. Almonds, walnuts, and dates are amazing superfoods for memory and energy. Hack 10. Daily exercise. Spend at least 15 to 20 minutes doing push-ups, squats, or yoga to keep your body fit and flexible. Hack 11. Get some sunlight. Spend 10 to 15 minutes in the sun every day to naturally get your vitamin D. Hack 12. Intermittent fasting, IF. IF is a simple lifestyle hack where you follow the 16 to 8 rule to manage weight effectively. Hack 13. Meal prepping. Preparing your meals in advance helps you avoid the temptation of junk food. Hack 14. Walk after meals. A light 10-minute walk after meals helps improve digestion. Hack 15. Gratitude and prayer. Practicing daily gratitude and prayer brings inner peace and boosts positivity. So friends, these were 15 health and fitness hacks that can truly make a difference in your life if you follow them. Let me know in the comments which ones you already practice and which new ones you plan to try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video with another exciting topic.